Hey Hottie Squad, it's me Jordan Janelle, and I'm back with another video. But before we get into this video, if you want to be a part of Hottie Squad, make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button, like this video, do all of that. It's that simple. I just want to tell y'all, I've been gone for like 2 weeks, I think, because I have been sick, like sick for about 2 weeks now. I just didn't really feel like recording anything. I felt like I needed time to heal myself or whatever. I still didn't really get that time because I did keep going to work because I'm broke. So today's video, we're going to be talking about my lock journey. I do get questions about my hair a lot. I'm going to be showing you guys pictures. People always text me when I'm recording, but don't never text me before or after. I'm going to show you pictures of my locks through the years, basically. So I've had my locks for 6 years now. It's been like 6 years and some change. My lock experience has been pretty good to me. Sometimes I do think about combing my locks out. I do think about cutting them off. But I would not trade my locks for the world. Not that it's a good thing that I'm known for my locks. I'm known for other things, but my locks make me who I am. They make me different. I couldn't imagine my life without my locks. I don't really know why I wanted locks. I got them before my 6th grade year. Don't know why. My mom has locks. So I just remember, I strictly remember begging her, constantly begging her and begging her for me to get them. And I feel like I got them because she had them. And I've always been a different child. Like, you can ask anybody in my family, I've always been the one that wants to be different from everybody else. So I guess this was my way in 6th grade of saying, oh, I have locks and you don't. But it ended up being a beautiful, stop texting me. It ended up being a beautiful journey to me. Like, when I sit down and think about it now, it's like, wow, I got locks, you know? Now I'm going to give you guys a timeline and I'm going to insert pictures. But I'm also going to be on my phone looking at the pictures because I don't want to mess anything up, you know, with the timeline or whatever. I want to keep it real with y'all. So we're going to start that. I don't even think I have any pictures from my 7th grade year. We're gonna go straight to 8th grade because my hair was pretty much the same through 6th and 7th grade. It was short. Like, I feel like a long period of time my locks were just short. So this is my 8th grade year. This is when I switched schools to. They kind of started to drop a little bit, as you can see. Definitely started to drop. Woo child. My outfits. The fact that somebody let me out the house like this is just ridiculous. But as far as now, I just had regular brown color or whatever. Let me tell you guys this. My 6th grade year and 7th grade year, I wouldn't tell anybody because at the time I didn't really know what the feeling was called. But I know for a fact I was definitely insecure because my friends around me were getting boyfriends. They were starting to like boys or whatever. But I feel like because boys didn't like me because I was weird and probably ugly to them, I felt like, what's wrong with me? But I didn't know how to describe that feeling. And in my head, I used to always probably think, oh, my friends are just fast or whatever. But whole time, I was just slow. Now, right now in my life, looking back, I understand that I could have done tons of things with my hair. But I literally just let my hair down, put a bow in. You know, I was doing me. No questions. That's one thing about it. I was really doing me. Period. So my 9th grade year, that summer before, my hair definitely dropped. Like, definitely. That was when I really started to curl my hair, for real. That's when I started to experiment and I really started to curl it and I started to get cute too. I went from purple hair to blue hair, which was probably one of my favorite colors. My blue was cute. And I had braces still on. But that's when I used to try all different styles. And I went through this period of time and my mom hated it. But my blue started to fade out and it would look very washed out. And it took us a long time for me to like revamp my color. Don't even ask me why because I don't even know. But for a long time I was just walking around with like black and it was washed out on the ends. I made it work though. In my sophomore year, I think I went from that blue to jet black. I went to prom with my older sister my sophomore year, so that's how I went to black hair. My senior year, I skipped my junior year. So my senior year of high school, the first week of school, I actually did have black hair, but I really wanted to change it up, and I dyed my hair red, like all red. It was actually really cute. That's when my hair dropped a lot my senior year. Like right now, my hair dropped a lot. I started trying new styles, like new ways to curl it, because I always used to curl my hair with pipe cleaners. They come out tighter and smaller, but big curls are cute to me. I had red hair for the longest time. And senior year, I also got braids over my locks. So for anybody wondering, yes, you can still get other styles. I've had box braids so far one time, and they actually were good. I kept them in for a while. And this December, I plan on getting a wig for this cruise that I'm going on. So hopefully all that works out so I can experiment with that and let you guys know how it's gonna go. I would say the beginning of my senior year, maybe my hair was like right here at my collarbone. And no, that cannot be real. My hair dropped. I got a mirror back here so y'all don't think I'm crazy, but I would say beginning of my senior year, my hair was probably like right here. And I guess for me taking care of it, I don't even know, but my hair is like down here now. My hair has been jet black ever since, and then I decided for my birthday, I decided that I wanted all blonde hair, okay? Now, it's my fault. I went to somebody that she didn't necessarily not know how to do hair, but I think it's just the fact that she didn't know how to work with locks. So my hair right now is like 20 different shades of what is not supposed to be, and I literally, if I can find pictures, I'll insert them too, but I literally had a mental breakdown the day before my birthday because I just felt so ugly, and I was just thinking I've ruined my locks. I was telling my mom I'm gonna cut my hair. Like, it was just so depressing to me because I was like, after all these years, how can I let somebody mess my hair up like this? Like, I know better. I knew I should have went to a shop. I knew better. But for my birthday, I made it work. I inserted a picture. I curled my hair like the morning of my birthday because that night I wasn't trying to touch my hair. It was dry, it was brittle. It mildewed too because, as you know, you're not supposed to leave locks wet. You have to dry them immediately because this water sitting there is gonna mildew. My hair was mildewed. It was dry and brittle at the top in some places. It's like red some places in the back. I didn't know what to do. It was a lesson learned. There's honestly nothing I can do about it now. I just have to wait. I got some vitamin E oil. I put it on every day, and I'm just waiting for my hair to fully, I guess, like, look healthier again. So maybe I can just cover up the blonde spots with brown, you know, so my hair can be all brown instead of all 13 of these colors. It's not bad. It's just in person it just really looks washed out, and I don't like that at all. Like, the mental breakdown was real. I will honestly say I love my locks. If you're thinking about getting locks, I always tell people do it, but make sure you're going to be committed to it. You just have to know how to style your hair. I'm actually getting more into styling my hair because normally I wear it in like a little slick back or a messy bun, or just wear my hair down. So I'm getting more into styling it. Locks are not hard to maintain. Expensive, yes. One trip to the salon for me might cost $125 to $150. Locks are expensive, but that's just as much as any hair or any natural hair. Once you get your locks, just make sure you take care of them, you wash them. I'll keep you guys updated on my hair. But wait, I forgot to do a little length check for y'all. I'm gonna do this one. Little length check. Okay, so this is my little length check for you guys. So, like, I guess the start of my boob. But that'll be the end of this video. My camera died on me, so that's why I'm on my phone now, thugging it out. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video. I'll keep you guys updated on my hair. I feel like I should do a lock update maybe every year. If you guys ever have any questions, just ask me them and I'll put them all in the video every year for you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Bye. Taking over all.